What's the most important thing you need before you start the vegan lifestyle? And how do you even get started on a vegan life? I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do first. The very first step in even considering a change in lifestyle, like going vegan, is high level of accountability and support. Because if you don't have that in your life, there is no way you're going to be able to succeed. Have you ever heard the story of the crab bucket? Let me tell you the story real quick. There's a fisherman on the pier, and a guy is walking by, and he sees a bucket of crabs next to the fisherman, and he says to the fisherman, "You better put a lid on that bucket of crabs, or they're all going to climb out." And the fisherman says, "No, I don't need to put a lid on the crab bucket, because if one of those crabs tries to climb out of that bucket, all the other crabs reach up and pull him back down into the bucket." And that's exactly what happens to us in our communities and our families and our friend circles. Everybody pulls us back down into their comfort zone. We have to be intentional in our life to create change. If you want to go vegan, you need a different crab bucket. You can also reach out to me, and I can be that support person for you. Either go to my website at www.vegan-mom.com and sign up for a one-to-one talk with me, or email me at support@danielaclap.com, and I will reach out to you and let's talk.